Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2019 350 Realm. It's a brand new model for us this year. It's absolutely fantastic boat. It's powered by Mercury triple 350s on the back, a ton of power, well over 50 miles an hour without a problem. And then you can see the lines on the boat. Very large hard top, shore shade. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 Realm. It's a fantastic cockpit area up here. It has all kinds of things. If you are fishing, it's got a live well conveniently located right here in the back. And if you are fishing, the very comfortable fold-down seat goes right up. Great leaning post. Ladder for the dive door here. Brings fish in great. Gets you in the boat safely and easily. Very comfortable seat here with a refrigerated cooler underneath, so you can fill this up and reach in and grab it. Fantastic. If you are going forward, you just take it, and now you got a very comfortable seat facing forward. You got 4 people facing forward. Fantastic. As we move to the helm area, 2 large Raymarine touchscreens. Nicely, that's plenty of good size for anything you're going offshore, whatever. You got the best of the electronics. You've got the joystick here. It'll do sideways. If I want to take the boat sideways, it goes sideways. Has skyhook, locks you into position, which is great. It also has autopilot on it. Fantastic. One of my faves. Down below, really nice appointed cabin. It is set up now as a U-shaped couch, or it can turn into a bed. It's got a TV, a stand-up head in it, so you can spend the night on this very comfortably. As we move towards the bow, set up really, really nice. You've got a huge lounger up here with armrests. Great sound system on this boat. Very comfortable. You get the recessed windlass up there, and you also have the sunshade in the back. So you can actually be in the shade on this entire boat, which is great down here. Any questions on it? If you'd like to come see it, make an appointment. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.